Suroy Suroy sa Sugbo is the provincial government's flagship tourism program. Made a comeback last November after 2-year hiatus due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia, together with at least 400 participants consisting of balikbayans, retirees, and local tourism officials from other regions, joined the 3-day activity that covered southern Cebu. They visited a total of 22 municipalities and cities from Carcar City all the way to Santander, which is located at the southernmost tip of the island province. Following the success of this year's Suroy Suroy sa Sugbo, organizers from the capital confirmed that another excursion will take place this January 2023. This time, the guests want to explore the northern part of the province.